This is the Infinix Note 12i. It comes with the Android version 12, a 4 gigs of RAM that can be expanded up to 7 gig, a 120 gigs of internal storage, a 5000 mAh battery, and it is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Okay, that's the spec on sheet. Now let's talk about the real life experience. This is one of the few Android smartphones in terms of budget that have actually performed very well. And in my experience, this smartphone has performed well over 89% in all aspects. I've been using this smartphone for months now as my daily driver, and I really can't recall a day this smartphone actually broke down in terms of performance. It is not a market gimmick or a hype. And one of the major features that actually stand out on this smartphone is the battery life. It has been so very impressive. And that's one thing to actually look out for when you want to pick your next smartphone. The battery capacity is a 5000 mAh battery, which is what almost every smartphone in today's market can actually boast of. But the question is, which of them is actually going to last longer? My experience with the Infinix Note 12i is the battery life has really served and is still performing till date. Despite my gaming period and also watching online videos, the battery is good. And I do believe that someone watching this video is probably using the Infinix Note 12i. So please, if you're the one, yes, you watching this video right now, if you're using the Infinix Note 12i, please share your battery life experience in the comment. This phone is priced at 104,000 in Naira currently. That's about $289, although it might change considering the unstable dollar rate, especially in Nigeria. And the price to performance ratio is okay. One of the things I've actually enjoyed doing with the Infinix Note 12i is gaming. It's really engaging. You have the MediaTek Helio G85 processor on this device, and the graphic chipset here is my G52 MC2 graphic chipset. I've played a couple of games on this device, but none is more engaging like the Free Fire game. And each time I play this game on this smartphone, I have two things in mind which I actually have to watch out for. First is the battery life, to see how rapidly it drops or not. And then secondly, the performance while gaming with this smartphone. Does it drop or lags behind, or in worst case scenarios, it shuts down automatically? Well, none of this actually happened, except that it heats up while you're gaming for a long time, but not in a harsh way. And also the battery percent drops, but not rapidly. This phone does have a game assistant mode that does improve gaming experience on this device. So if you've been gaming with this device, maybe not always like I do, and you're here watching this video, please let us know your experience in the comment section. Of course, definitely it will help someone out there to make a purchase decision. The display refreshes at 90 and 60 Hz. It is a 6.82 inches. Okay, one tip here that can actually help in saving battery life is leaving the screen to refresh at 60 Hz. It saves battery, in case you didn't know about that. The display is an IPS panel with very beautiful corners. Although it doesn't feel cinematic, but it is rich enough and detailed to consume media. The display offers a boosted color profile, and while watching videos on YouTube, you get sharp and vivid colors. It is a 720 pixels. It doesn't mean videos are limited to 720. No, you will watch 1080p videos too. It may not be a deal breaker for someone out there, but scrolling through apps is so fast. Very responsive too. In the settings, there's an option that is called Ultra Touch, where you can set the swipe speed and also the motion speed. Yeah, now you can see the difference scrolling through apps. And it's also bright enough to be comfortable. Of course, you wouldn't love to have a smartphone that moves sluggishly. I really enjoyed the experience of the Infinix Note 12i. Overall, the display is okay and also good enough for gaming. Okay, if one of your main aim of getting a phone is watching videos, I think the Infinix Note 12i is a very good option and it will not disappoint. And speaking of not disappointing, this phone's camera is also very good. Good enough for all social media postings and for all your daily camera needs. The camera is a triple combination that consists of a 50 megapixel main lens, a 2 megapixel depth, and a QVGA camera. This phone's camera takes amazing photos with good details, especially daylight. It retains the skin tone almost to 100% and also gives sharp images with good dynamic range. In video, it is a maximum of 2K at 30 frames, and you can also shoot 1080p videos and 720. But for good details, shoot 2K videos. It is very fine. Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so this is the 720 video with the book effect on the Infinix Note 12i. You have the background blur, but the picture quality is really not decent. So guys, what do you think? Now let me switch to 2K at 30 frames video and let's see the difference. Okay, so this is a 2K at 30 frames per second video. No book effect and no background blur, but the picture quality is fine. Okay, it's beginning to rain already. Okay, for the picture quality, it is detailed. I can still see my skin tone, it is not changed. High dynamic range is present. And also, I think the sound is quite different from the bokeh effect. So let me know what you think about the picture quality and also the sound coming out from this device. And guys, if you're enjoying this video up until now, please hit that subscribe button and turn the bell icon for notifications. Well, you may say the pixel is small. Forget the number and look out for the quality. I think it performs average and it is okay. What do you think? Addition of dual stereo speakers on this phone is also a very nice plus. It makes watching videos or even listening to music fun. They are loud enough and the audio quality is fine. Although this is not a performance-centric smartphone, but it manages most of our everyday tasks and also casual gaming so effectively without any hiccups. The design does not stand out much. The matte finish here are for those who crave for a minimalist design on a smartphone, and the build quality is not cheap. The slim design with the lightweight is all that makes up for a good profile on the Infinix Note 12i. You have a side-mounted fingerprint that unlocks and also responds accurately, and that's another plus for the Note 12i. This phone is a good investment. Yes, the offerings for the price range is okay. Although it is less attractive in design, but the performance really speaks out loud. So if you are a hardcore Infinix fan, I'd like you to consider the Infinix Note 12i, or you can skip it if you're not. Okay, if you've been using this smartphone for quite a while now and it is your daily driver, please share your experience in the comment. And also like and share this video to help someone out there make a purchase decision. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly click on that subscribe button. It is totally free. And don't forget the bell icon for notifications on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.